Israel's top leaders gathered on Sunday to discuss how to respond to a recent attack by Iran. Iran launched hundreds of drones and missiles overnight, targeting Israel directly for the first time after years of covert conflicts. Most of the projectiles were intercepted, and those that hit only caused minor damage, according to Israeli military officials. The United States provided significant support by shooting down many of the drones and missiles, despite growing disagreements over Israel's actions in Gaza. This attack was in retaliation for Israeli airstrikes on an Iranian embassy building in Syria earlier in April. Although Iran indicated it wouldn't strike again unless provoked, attention shifted to Israel's response. President Biden and other world leaders urged restraint to prevent a broader conflict in the Middle East. Some Israeli officials initially pushed for a retaliatory strike, but Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu called it off after speaking with President Biden on Saturday. The damage caused by the attacks was relatively minor, leading to the decision to hold off on further action. However, Israel's defense minister emphasized that the situation with Iran was far from resolved.